Hello friends, welcome to Dream University. My name is Abhishek and today through this channel I will try to explain you how to prepare for GNU IRM and PISM exams. But before moving forward, let me introduce myself. So as you know, I am Abhishek and I did my graduation in English, and last year I cleared both IRM as well as PISM. And this is my Insta handle. If you have any queries, you can ask me here. One more thing, after this we are going to organize a webinar on GNU IR preparation. The notification will be released soon on these Insta and YouTube channels. Please subscribe them. So as you can see, this was my book list. Let's start on how to approach them. First and most important is Globalization of World Politics by Baylis and Smith. For the IR preparation, this is the most important book and must be done thoroughly. Each page is important. Now, for world history, Norman Loewe is best, but try to read only superficially. Or instead, you can also opt for any UPSC coaching notes. They are short and cover more and important topics for the JNU exam. Next, for Indian history and polity, you can rely on Lucent GK book. Some people also suggest that they should go for M. Lakshmikant, but I advise that use Lakshmikant only for reference and for some important commission CTC only. There's no need to go in depth in this book. For political philosopher, you can read OP Gaba or Wikipedia, but keep this in mind that this is not a pol science exam. So please read them only superficially, and also here there is no need to go in depth. Now after completing all these books, you can read Haywood if time permits, but this also needs to be done superficially, and you must try to cover only those chapters that are not given in Baylis and Smith. Now for practice, you should do the NET JRF previous year questions, because many questions directly come from here. Also, if you are not able to solve any question or you are stuck in any question, then just note it down in a separate notebook and revise it time to time. Finally, for the current affairs, you can go for either Vision IS or Study IQ monthly. So this was my book list, and now I'll tell you how I handled all these in a brief explanation. And for the detail, you can join our webinar, and there you can ask your queries. So the first thing that I did was I read the books mentioned earlier and made their very short notes. Second, I used to revise them on a daily basis. I used to revise them in the morning before the study of any book. Now after reading all these, I used to solve past year NET JRF questions, and this thing really helped me a lot. I did 2004 to 2019 question. However, you can do at least 2012 to 2020 NET JRF question. So this was my brief strategy, you can say. You can send me your query on Insta on this handle, and don't forget to subscribe our channel soon, because we are going to organize a webinar, and also a video on Pondicherry IR exam will be coming.